Hey guys, my name is Joe Tomaso and I'm the founder of Connecticut News Alert, as well as the host of the 15 Minutes with True Crime podcast, which has been featured in the New York Times, the New York Post, and several other media outlets. The reason I'm here today is to discuss the David Crowley case and to explain to you what the term exceptionally cleared means, as well as tell you what the actual findings of the case were. What qualifies me to be able to tell you what exceptionally cleared means? I'm going to tell you right now. I'm a certified paralegal. This is from Post University. I'm a paralegal certified from Post. I also hold not one, but two associate's degrees in law and legal studies, also from Post University. I'm also a retired paramedic who has been to various crime scenes. And though I've actually taken documentation courses, so I know how these reports are filed, how they are written, etc., and the terminology included in them. Now, what you see here is a report from the Apple Valley Police Department. And over here, you're going to see the term status active. That means on August 6th of 2015, when this report was written, this case was active. It was still open. Now, on October 7th, 2015, the status changes to exceptionally cleared. That means the case is closed at that time and it was exceptionally cleared. Exceptionally cleared does not mean that the person they were investigating was cleared. It means that the case was cleared by exception, which I will explain to you shortly. But before I do that, I want you guys to listen. With the conclusion of the review of the digital devices, there is no other information available for further investigation. That means they investigated everything. Throughout this investigation, the Apple Valley Police Department has not discovered any information or evidence that shows anybody but, as in except, David Crowley is the perpetrator of these crimes, including the killing of his wife, child, and himself. What this is saying is that nobody except David Crowley is indeed the perpetrator. This is the paperwork right here. It's right here. It's right in front of you. You guys, it's right here. Okay? This is saying not that David's innocent. The words David's innocent do not appear here. In fact, it's telling you David Crowley committed these crimes. Now, why wasn't David charged? It's simple. He was dead. Okay? He committed suicide. Now, the FBI has what they call the Uniform Crime Reports. They publish them every year. This is for the year 2014. Remember, this happened, or the bodies were found in January of 2015, so it would have been under 2014 law. Plus, they believe that David killed his wife and daughter and then himself around December 25th of 2014. So it would have fell under 2014. The deaths would have been listed under 2014, etc. You can be cleared by arrest, which means they actually arrest someone, or you can be cleared by exception. So what does the FBI say cleared by exception means? Let's check it out. Examples of exceptional clearance include, but are not limited to, the death of the offender. Examples: suicide or justifiably killed by police or citizen. That's right there, highlighted for you to read. And this, obviously, as I stated, is right from the Uniform Crime Report from the FBI. That's their seal right there. To further clarify this, I'm going to show you again. Examples of exceptional clearances. Number 1, suicide of the offender. The person who committed the offense is dead. It is right there in black and white. The reason David Crowley could not be charged was because he was not alive. If he was alive, he would have been charged because all the evidence pointed to David. Yes, they don't know why, and they don't know why because David wasn't alive to tell them. Please, guys, the families have been through enough. The friends have been through enough. The cops have been through enough. Okay? I'm taking the time to show you you're being misled. Apple Valley Police Department stated to an individual several months ago that the case was closed by exception. It was exceptionally cleared. That is a case status. If anybody can show me where in this report, in the conclusion, that it states that David Crowley is innocent, by all means, please do. What this report says, and I'm going to say it again, with the conclusion of the review of the digital devices, there is no other information available for further investigation. Throughout this investigation, the Apple Valley Police Department has not discovered any information or evidence that shows anybody but David Crowley is the perpetrator of these crimes, including the killing of his wife, child, and himself. Let's end it on this. Thank you for watching. I hope this clears up any questions anybody may have had. Please don't be fooled.